How to get best Eneba discount code. Now, what you want to do first is to use up any preferred web browser that you can use. It does not matter if you're using your phone or your laptop or PC. But right now, I'm currently using Google Chrome for this video and just head over directly to search bar. Now, we will be visiting out a certain website that's going to be called dealspromo.net. And then you just have to choose on either of these results right here as long as you're clicking on their official site. Now, once you have visited dealspromo.net's official website, then you will now then type in or search a coupon on the search box, which is going to be Eneba. And there is going to be a drop down, or you can just directly click or hit on enter. So as you can see, they are only providing two specific coupons or discounts that we could use, which is going to be 8% off or the 25% off. So before you go back to Neba's official site, you can visit dealpromo.net first, and then just go ahead and click this for you to be able to have a vision of this code right here, and then go back to Eneba. And that's how you find the best Eneba discount code.